China from the Property Runway, and today I'm at Adora Green where we have a 4-room flat on a high floor available for sale. Now this is the first DBSS in Yishun and it's surrounded by a lot of fantastic amenities such as parks, schools, even a hospital, all just within 2 km. Now this unit is on the highest floor. It's a 4-room flat, 990 square feet. The moment you step in, we approach the kitchen on the right side and you can see that this is nicely built in already. You have a lot of carpentry work done here and a lot of storage space. Now let's head to the living room. What's great about this particular layout is that the layout is very wide, so you have a very fantastic width of about 3 meters. The ceiling height is also extra tall because this is the top floor, and this is the highlight of the house. Come. This is a DBSS. We get this huge balcony space, and what's really fantastic is this spectacular park view right in front of you. Now this is the same across all the bedrooms for the common bedroom and the master bedroom. So now that we have covered the living room, the dining area, let's head to the bedrooms. Now this corridor actually leads to the bedrooms. We have a bomb shelter, 2 common bedrooms, but let me show you where the master bedroom, instead of being right at the end, it's actually over here. So the master bedroom is great because you have a lot of privacy with the bathroom being on the entrance area. And as we head in, you can see that this entire space, you get to enjoy the beautiful unblocked view once again. And now let's check out the common bedroom right at the end of the corridor. Now this common bedroom, once again, you also get a lot of privacy, and what I love about it is how you're able to fit a piano, a study table, have a view, and at the same time, you have a 3-door wardrobe on this side. So one of the features of DBSS units is that all the bedrooms actually come with really nice parquet flooring. So the one that we have here is pretty well maintained. All you need to do is just do a little bit of buffing and you are done. Let's check out the next room now. So we have a common bathroom here, perfect for your guest usage. And also on this side, we have the last common bedroom. Like to make this rarely available high floor abode your very own? Call the Property Runway today for your exclusive viewing. See you soon!